Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add flashlight and camera to lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app, scroll down, locate and click on wallpaper and style. Locate the lock screen wallpaper and then click on it. You should see two plus button, one at the bottom left and the other at the bottom right. Click on either of them. Then select either flashlight or camera. Once you're done, you should see the flashlight or torchlight and then the camera button. Then click on done. Then you should see changes apply to lock screen. After that, when next your phone screen is locked, then you should see the torchlight and then the camera. To use the torchlight, just press and hold it, drag it right. To turn it off, press and hold it, drag it right as well. While on the lock screen, to use your camera on lock screen, drag and hold it and then to the left. To close it, just exit it. And that is it. So that's exactly how to add camera and flashlight to lock screen on Samsung A54 5G. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.